Oh man. Finally about to take out the front windshield. It's been like a week or so since I took out the back one. But I got some good news, cause finally got some center caps for my wire wheels right here. Now I want the center cap chrome look like this. These don't look bad at all. I kind of polished this one up. The gold was already fading a little bit, but I want the actual spinner, I want that to stay gold. I'm getting some custom gel caps. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have them say like classic patinas or something on them, but these are just a temporary wheel. I like the way these look. These are gonna look real nice on here until I get my American racing wheels. They just remind me of when I first bought the car, because they had some wire wheels on it and it was like really rusty. They look nowhere near this good. I got these for an unbeatable price. I'm not ashamed to say it. I got these for a good deal. So yeah, they'll probably be going on the car. Just need to do a few more things to them and they'll be good. All right, so I need to clean up my garage. I got stuff everywhere, pieces of rust, Bondo, and caulking glue from the back windshield. It's probably gonna be the same thing with the front. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult to get the front off just because I have to get this chrome piece off right here. I gotta take this cowl off, and it looks like the weathering strip at the bottom is still good, and I don't have anything to get it off. I don't know if y'all seen the last video, but I got the weather strip off with a flathead screwdriver just because it was just breaking off in pieces, so it was a lot easier. Anyway, we'll see what we do to get this one off. I'll probably do some more shady shit to get this one off, but we'll see. As long as I don't crack it, it'll be all right. And gotta clean all this stuff off, probably clean up the garage a little bit, and I'll get back with y'all. All right, so now that I got it cleaned up a little bit in here, I know, open the hood, take this off, then take off this piece of trim. Yep, so that's how it's gonna have to work. This is about to be annoying, but it don't matter, it's whatever. All right, something we ain't seen in a while right here. Damn. Yep, so this is the 350 I put in not too long ago. It's knocking pretty bad, and I don't know, since the last time y'all seen it, I put in this fan. But I want to clean up all this wiring right here, and it just looked like a mess. Surprisingly though, as bad as it's knocking, I can charge the battery up right now and it'll just fire right up. That's why you know 350s are just, I mean, you just can't beat them. Can't kill them. All right, let me see. Let's see. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot more holding this thing up here, but for my car, it wasn't. It's barely anything. Like, I can pretty much lift the whole thing up right now. Just gotta take care of the windshield wipers. Take those off, and then I should be able to get to the chrome. Yeah, it wasn't too much holding because as you can tell, they're moving freely. The only thing that's literally in the way right now is just the windshield wipers. So as soon as I take those off, then we can get to this chrome, and that's it. Finally figured out how to get the windshield wipers off. So it's on a spline and it's held in by like the same things with the cranks on the windows, the little pins or whatever. So I get the pin off. I could probably get like with like a flathead screwdriver or something and just pull it off after that. I'm telling you, working on this car, flathead screwdriver could damn near fix anything. All right, so I finally figured it out, right? So if yours is old like mine, you'll know that most likely it's probably painted over. It's probably painted over. So this spline, once you get paint on it, it's really hard to get this thing off. It took me a while. I even had to pause the video, but this is a different clip. It's not like the same clip as the window regulators or whatever. This thing is pretty difficult to get off. You just push this up, this little piece on the clip, push that up, and it should be able to pop right off. Oh man, I'm out of breath just from doing that. But it should come out now. You see the whole thing moves. Oh. Ran out of WD-40. I don't even need this no more. Toss that right there for right now. How's the glove? When I tell you, if those things got paint on them, that thing is a pain. But it took me long enough, but I got it out. Just set this. I know it's a lot of stuff over here. I'm gonna have to clean it off, but set that right there for right now. All right, so I'm looking in there right now. Had to have a flashlight, but it's actually 10 of these screws. So I got to get another one out. It's right here. So I'm gonna have to go down here through the fender. I'm gonna have to open the door and everything. All right, so I got a better idea than taking this thing completely out. Keep that one on. I already loosened it up, but it's enough for me to get to the weathering strips on both sides. So I'm gonna just do what I did last time with the back window with the flathead screwdriver and just peel it back every time. So that's what I'm about to do now. All right, so after about 30 minutes, finally got it pretty loose. Took a while just because this weather strip wasn't as old or wasn't as worn as the one in the back. So as you can see now, I don't know if y'all can see that. See, the whole thing is coming up. I put a lot of PB Blaster on it too, but pretty sure I can lift the whole thing up now. All right, you see it now. Got the whole thing out. No cracking, no broken glass. But yeah, I got the whole thing off with PB Blaster and a flathead screwdriver again. So it's not as hard as some people think it is. You know, you just gotta kind of play it smart. So yeah. All right, finally got that thing out. As you can see, there's nothing here. Got it out, screwdriver, PB blaster, that was it. It's not as hard as people think. Just be careful. See, I got the back out too. That's on a different video. Yeah, you just gotta be careful with the glass. Make sure not to do nothing crazy. I'm going to clean it up later. But the other thing I want to talk about, I already have something planned for the next video. So I got a few pinholes on the car, and what I'm going to do, because I don't want any Bondo on this car, but I'm not trying to replace this whole hood because this is the new hood, and it just started rusting not too long ago. So these little, I don't know if y'all can see, these little rust holes that's kind of starting to bubble up, I got something for them. So I didn't want to use Bondo, like I said. Well, I'm gonna use the older alternative, which is lead. Now, I've heard a lot of bad things about lead if you're not careful enough, but I'm taking all the precautions. I'm not gonna be inhaling it. I got a respirator, I got everything that I need, I got gloves. So the next video is gonna be me filling these holes with lead. But that's what the next video is gonna be about. So I'm already talking about getting the back parts of these chrome plated or something. That's gonna be for those wheels, like I said earlier. So yeah, so I got pretty much everything prepped to get this whole roof replaced, chopped off and just replaced. So please like, comment, subscribe. That mean a lot. You know, this YouTube is just now starting. So yeah, that's about it for this video. All right, peace.